If your doctor gave you steroids for a cough, here's why. Because no, it's not for the cough itself. Steroids like prednisone don't kill viruses or bacteria. What they do is calm down inflammation in your airways. So if your cough is from things like bronchitis with wheezing, an asthma flare, or a reactive airway after being sick, they can help you breathe easier, fast. But if it's just a simple cold with a dry cough, they usually won't do much. So next time you get steroids for a cough, it's not for the cough. It's for your lungs. And if this helped you understand it better, hit like and subscribe for more.